The Philippines is home to more than 14,400 species of plants and 510 species of land animals. Some of these animals are found only in the country, such as the Philippine eagle, the second largest in the world, the tamarau, the Philippine spotted deer, the Philippine flying lemur, and the Philippine crocodile. All of them, however, are now considered endangered. The Philippines is also rich in mineral deposits. Scientists claim that many of the country's mineral resources remain unexploited. The Philippines is blessed with vast resources. Resources refers to the things which are used to produce goods and services that satisfy the needs of men. So, our country is lucky to have all this in abundance. Our country is rich in natural resources. It has fertile and has ample lands, expansive coastline, and rich mineral resources. The richness of our environment helps people to earn a living and have means of livelihood. These natural resources are used as raw materials in the manufacture of goods or products that are needed by people. Many Filipinos obtain their primary source of income from the use of natural resources. Natural resources includes land, water, forest, energy, and minerals. What is a land resource? Land resources meet many human needs. In fact, they provide the essential needs for life and are the building blocks for development. The benefits we can get from land resource is to produce food as one of the energy source. It serves as habitat for animals and maintenance of natural processes and biodiversity. It regulates climate, hydrological, and biochemical cycles in the Earth's surface and biological processes. Career, since it provides space and suitable substrate for residential, settlements, cultivation, energy conversion, recreational activities, and tourism, and to provide holistic spatial system in which humans interact with their environment. Note, essential input in the production process in agriculture, commerce, and industry are usually done on land. There are two classifications of land in the Philippines: alienable or disposable land and forest land. Alienable land or disposable land refer to those lands of the public domain which have been the subject of the present system of classification and declared as not needed for forest purposes. These are the lands that can be owned, can be sold, can be given as bequest and distributed by private individuals. It could be for agricultural, industrial, residential, and commercial lands are examples of these. Forest land includes public forest, the permanent forest or forest reserves in forest reservations. Forests are important resource of the country. Forests are responsible for maintaining ecological balance in our surroundings. There are various types of forests which can be found in the Philippines. In fact, almost half of the country's total land area is forested. Tropical forest ecosystems are situated in the equatorial belt of the Earth. This portion of the Earth is called the tropical zone. Within this zone are two major types of tropical forest systems: the rainforest, which is one of the oldest and most complex ecosystem on Earth, and it has a lofty, broad-leaved evergreen trees forming a continuous canopy, and the monsoon or seasonal forest. Both types exist in the Philippines. Most of our country's forests are tropical rainforests. Forests are important to our lives and economy. These produce timber to be used for hardwood products like home furnishings. There are varieties of trees which can be found in our forest and are beneficial to our economy. Like, for example, the Nara, the source of hardwood for wooden furnitures. The pterocarp hardwoods, known as the Philippine mahogany, can supply many natural resource needs. The mahogany seed is an important herb known to have healing properties. The bamboo, a fast growing woody grass, used to build fences, baskets, hats, wall matting, houses, bridges, and furnitures. Mangrove, found at sea level bays and estuaries. They form a fringe or that seems like a fence along the sides of these bodies of water. The nipa palm, used to build houses in the countryside. Forests give a lot of advantage to the people and to the economy. It provides employment through logging. It generates income for our economy by means of exporting the products. It provides watershed and ecological balance for our wildlife, endangered species, and animals. Dense tropical rainforests contain vines, ferns, orchids, and huge trees with buttressed trunks. It has also the most species and the richest ecosystem on Earth. Forests are the dwelling place where wild animals live. Some of the animal species have been lost or endangered, like the tarsier, the tamarau, and the Philippine eagle. Watersheds are also protected by forests. We have learned the benefits that forests contribute to our economy, but it is also important to know the present conditions of our forests.